medial surface of cerebral hemisphere is having centrally placed corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is a band of white fibers connecting to cerebral hemisphere. Now, corpus callosum is having four parts. The first part is a rostrum. Second part, the anterior part, that is a genu. Third part, that is a trunk. And fourth part, which is a thick part, that is a splenium. So corpus callosum is, its length is 10 centimeter. It is a type of commissural fibers connecting to cerebral hemisphere, and it is having four parts. Below the corpus callosum there present lateral ventricle. The lateral ventricle is having anterior horn projecting into frontal lobe. This is a body of lateral ventricle present in parietal lobe. Posterior horn of lateral ventricle projecting into occipital lobe, and inferior horn of lateral ventricle is projecting into temporal lobe. The floor of lateral ventricle is formed by two nucleus, thalamus and caudate nucleus. Next, this is all medial surface of cerebral hemisphere, sulci and gyri on medial surface of cerebral hemisphere. The first deep sulcus present on medial surface is parieto-occipital sulcus. Next is, this is a corpus callosum. Just above the corpus callosum, indusium griseum is present. The second sulcus present above the corpus callosum is cingulate sulcus. Between indusium griseum and cingulate sulcus, there present cingulate gyrus. The central sulcus is projecting on the medial surface. Central sulcus is also present on superior lateral surface. The lobes present anterior and posterior to the central sulcus, they are called as paracentral lobule. The rest of the area of medial surface is called as medial frontal gyrus. Right in front of the genu, there present parolfactory sulcus, which divides the area into paraterminal gyrus. Parieto-occipital sulcus. Behind the parieto-occipital sulcus, there present occipital lobe. It is having calcarine sulcus. The calcarine sulcus is beginning right from the occipital pole, and it is coming till the parieto-occipital sulcus. It divides the area into two parts, precuneus and cuneus. So this is all about the medial surface of cerebral hemisphere. The inferior surface of cerebral hemisphere is dividing into two parts, anterior orbital part and posterior tentorial part. Both the parts are separated by stem of lateral sulcus. The orbital part is having H-shaped orbital sulcus, which divides the whole area into anterior, posterior, medial and lateral orbital gyrus. There present another sulcus, gyrus rectus, which is having the first cranial nerve, olfactory nerve. The tentorial part is having two sulcus, collateral sulcus and occipitotemporal sulcus, which divides the area into three gyrus, the lateral and medial occipitotemporal gyrus, and this is a parahippocampal gyrus.